Wow, just got done touring this amazing model home at this brand new subdivision in Alabaster, Alabama. And what you're seeing behind me is part of a brand new master plan community with over 900 houses. So today I want to take you on a tour of this house, show you the different floor plans that they have out here in this neighborhood, and just some local nearby amenities. So let's start off with the house tour. So the model home is the Alder plan, and it sits on a 100-foot wide lot, so you get plenty of that outdoor space for the houses here. And if you look too, you've got darker, moodier colors on the exterior, some great landscaping, and you also get that 3-car garage. And make sure to stick with me until the end, because we're going to go over the other floor plans that they have and some of the pricing they have available too. All right, let's go inside. All right, so as you walk in, you got a nice sight line to the back of the house from the foyer, and then we wrap around here and you can see that we've got this little buffet / coffee bar set up with these floating shelves and custom tile. Just great for entertaining, adds a lot to the space. And you got a little pantry over there to the right too. So we're gonna hook around here to the kitchen now, and you can see you've got this beautiful open kitchen setup with plenty of cabinet space. And I wanna point out this leathered granite countertop on this waterfall island. You got plenty of space to set up just a few different bar stools, just like they've got here. And then those custom light pendants hanging above. And your sink's also in this island as well. So that way, whenever you're doing the dishes, you can still be a part of everything going on. You also got like another little nook here. They actually have this set up as their little coffee bar with the subway tile in the back, some underlights underneath the cabinets too. And then you got your oven and microwave right there to the side of it. And then another pantry space. So I'm gonna show you guys the inside. So you got plenty of space in there. They already got those wire shelves set up for you. All right, and then we're gonna make our way over here to the gas range. You can see they've got that subway tile set up on the back as well too, with a custom hood vent. It's a different color than the cabinet, so it adds a little bit of contrast. And then you've got this pot filler here, which is super convenient. If you've ever used one, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Then you got your refrigerator set up there too, and then we're gonna make our way into the living room. So you've got these vaulted ceilings in here with these custom wood beams all the way around. Ceiling is a different color than the walls, which adds a lot of contrast too. You can see the theme here in this house. Now we're gonna make our way over to the fireplace. You can see you've got this custom stone all the way up to the ceiling. You also got this nice wooden mantle. Imagine hanging your stockings around Christmas time on there. And then inside you've got this gas fireplace. So easy to start. You can pretty much turn it on anytime you want. I just wouldn't recommend in the summer. So let's move over to the eat-in kitchen area. So this is more or less that dining space that you get in this floor plan. And they went with a smaller table here, but you could definitely add some more space. And you can see that chandelier too. Right now we're gonna make our way out to the back patio. It's pretty convenient right off of the main living space. So as you head out here, you've got the ceiling fan underneath the patio and it's covered. So if you wanted to screen that in later, you could. But what I wanted to point out was you see all the sodded area here, that's your full backyard. So you got plenty of space to add things. And then I wanna kind of wrap around here just to show you all the space. And then also just to show you the back side of the house here, it's still that darker hardy plank siding. And what's really neat is they go ahead and put in all the landscaping for you. So that's one less thing that you got to worry about. And as we kind of make our way back in, again, you can see that ceiling fan out here, and you still got a pretty good bit of space from the side of the road there too. So we're gonna go ahead and head in. I wanna show y'all the front office / bedroom that they have on the main level. We skipped that when we first came in because I wanted to show y'all the kitchen. And you can see we've got plenty of natural light in here. You've got a ton of windows, and I mean, it's just a good space. So you could set it up as an office or just another bedroom on the main level. And then right off of that, you've got the full-size bathroom here on the main level. You've got these darker tiles, which is a nice touch. And then we just walk in, you've got the one sink there, one vanity, and then they kind of went with a tub shower combo here. It is nice to have another tub on the main level, especially if you got little kids and you know, you've got to get them baths and all that kind of stuff. So it's just a more convenient space. And then we're gonna walk back out to the foyer. I wanna show you all the huge double doors in the front, let so much natural light in. And then your stairwell is just right off to the right. And we're actually gonna head up there in just a moment. But I wanna walk back and show you guys the laundry space that they have in this floor plan. It's pretty large. They've got plenty of space for, you know, obviously your washer and dryer, but they also have shelving above. And you could probably even add a utility sink in here if you wanted to. And then right to the right of that, you've got this hall tree set up. Add some hooks in for the backpacks or coats. And then underneath, you can store all your shoes. It's more of a mudroom area. And then right off of that, you've got your 2-car garage. And they went ahead and put in that epoxy flooring for you. So I want to show you all that. This is just a nice finish, and it's something you don't get on a lot of new construction. And I love how they added that in on this one. All right, before we check out the primary suite, I did want to mention if you are considering moving to Alabaster, we've got a free Alabaster relocation guide linked right there in the description. It's a PDF download. It goes in a little bit more detail about Alabaster as a whole, the housing market, costs of living, and just different things around the area. So if you want to go ahead and get your copy, that link is in the description. Let's go check out the primary suite. As you step in here, this is a full stage king size bed. They've got the dresser in there as well. And then I wanted to show you all that you got that full view of your backyard out those 2 windows. And it's not a huge primary suite, but you still got plenty of space in here, and you get that ceiling fan as well. We're gonna make our way to the ensuite bathroom. And as you walk in, you see the first vanity there set up, plenty of countertop space. You got your garden tub in the middle, and then the other vanity is set up on the other side. And I'm going to show y'all, you get a linen closet in here, so plenty of space for your toiletries. Then we make our way around, and you've got the glass shower set up here. I want to open it up so I can show you all the tile inside. Then inside here, you can see you've got 2 shower heads. You got one on the wall and then one on the ceiling. So it's nice to have the variety there. And then just check out that tile. You've also got a little cubby. You can put your shampoo and different things. And then you got the penny tile on the ground too. And I want to go ahead and show you all the walk-in closet here. You got plenty of space in here as well. I already have the wire shelf set up for you too. And then in this door here, you got the toilet closet. So you got a little bit of privacy, which is nice. We're going to make our way around. I want to show you all the garden tub set up. So this will be nice on some of those longer days if you just want to run you a bath, grab you a glass of wine, and just kind of hang out. All right, let's make our way upstairs now. I want to show you all the loft area up here, and then the other 2 bedrooms and bathroom are up here as well. So as we round the corner here, you can see you've got plenty of space for this upstairs loft. Turn it into a game room or just an extra space, maybe for the kids to play, to hold some different things. And then you also got this little door here that leads to an attic space that you can use for extra storage as well. You also got a pull down attic storage from the top there too. So we're going to head into the bedroom upstairs. You can see you've got plenty of natural light with those bigger windows. And then you've got a walk-in closet here too. It's a pretty good size space for an extra bedrooms closet. Usually the ones that we see on a lot of these builds are a lot smaller, so it is nice that they added that extra space for you. Then you walk in and you've got this pass-through bathroom. It does have 2 sinks, so you could use this as if you got 2 kids and they're kind of sharing the space, and plenty of cabinet space there as well. And then right behind there, you've got that tub shower combo and your toilet room there. So they maximize the utilization of all of the space kind of right in between the bedrooms, which is nice. And then you still got access to the loft from the bathroom, which is nice too if you've got people over and they don't want to go through a bedroom. All right, let's show you all this back bedroom now. It faces towards the backyard. It's about the same size as the front bedroom, and you get a pretty good size walk-in closet in here as well. All right, so we saw the model home, so now let's go check out the different floor plans and the pricing they have available in here. And then stick with me till the very end. We're gonna go over some of the amenities that are close by to this neighborhood. All right, as you can see on the screen here, we got the available floor plans here at Lenoir, Walker Springs. We just toured the Alder plan. You've got 3 different elevations here, so all that means is the front of the house changes a little bit. But it's a 4-bed, 3-bath with right over 2,500 square foot. You get those 3 garage spaces as well, and it looks like it starts at that $544,900. 539.9 for the B or 544.9 for the C elevation. So you can check those out there. A couple of the other plans that they got a Cypress plan. They've got 2 separate elevations for that. It's a 4-bed, 3.5 bath, right around 2,500 square foot, and you get a 3-car garage with that as well. Starting really close to the same as the Alder, 549.9 and then 545.9. You've got a Juniper plan. There's 2 elevations to that. It's a little bit bigger. It's got the 5-bed, 4-bath. So you get almost 3,000 square foot with this one. Starts at 564.9 or 569.9. And then we've got the maple plan, which is just the only elevation it looks like they have so far on this one. It's a 4-bed, 3-bath, right over 3,000 square foot, right under 590,000. Then we've got the Rowan plan. It's 559.9. It's a 4-bed, 3.5 bath, 2,672 square foot. All right, and then we're gonna make our way down. We've got the Willow A, B, and C plans. They start from 519.9 all the way up to 534.9, and it's a 4-bed, 3-bath, 2,500, 26 square foot. And then we've got the Elm A, B, and C plans here. They are 5-bed, 4-bath with 3,260 square foot, and you get pricing starting at 564.9 all the way up to 568.9, just depending on the elevation that you pick there. All right, so that was all of the floor plans here at Lenoir at Walker Springs. There is a different section available as well, but if you want to see which homes are active on the market right now, there's a link in the description you can click on. It takes you directly to my website so you can see all of the available inventory here at Walker Springs. Also, I wanted to take a second and we're going to check out the amenities that they have here available around Walker Springs. All right, first one that we're going to talk about is Veterans Park right here in Alabaster. It's a humongous park and it's got a lot of different outdoor features. It's a big sports complex, as well as they've got playgrounds, disc golf, they've got a little skate park, walking track, dog park. I mean, and this thing is like so close to this community, so it's definitely one of those pillars that was drawing people into Alabaster. So Lenoir and the Walker Springs community really wanted to take advantage of that by being so close in proximity. So I can guarantee that this park is going to really start to fill up once they start building out some of these houses in the subdivision. All right, next up, I want to talk about some of the different restaurants that are local and close by. I did a whole video on this, so I'll link it in the description as well. But as you can see on the screen, there's just so many different local options, ranging from like fast or barbecue style food all the way to like just a nice sit down meal with your family. And then also closer to the interstate, you've got a couple different shopping options. There's the Promenade over in Alabaster. There's a lot of those big box retailers over there. You've got a Lowe's, TJ Maxx, Target. I mean, there's so much over there. And there's also restaurants available as well. It's actually somewhere that my family and I go visit quite frequently because it's so close to where we live. And there's also a brand new District 31 that's being built right now. Some of the shops are actually about to open in their first phase, and then they're going to be bringing in some different retailers also to the second phase of that. I'm not sure when exactly it's starting yet, but as soon as I get the info on that, I'll share it with you as well. Thanks for sticking with me till the end. Again, this was the Lenoir at Walker Springs out here in Alabaster, brand new subdivision, over 900 homes they're going to be building in the different sections. We went over the floor plans, the pricing. We also went over just a second ago the amenities and things that are close by. So if you have any interest in moving out here or just want some more information, my contact information is below. You can set up just a free call, just like an intro call. That way we get to know each other a little better, because a lot of times what I find is when I'm helping people relocate in, they've got a lot of questions, and all questions are good, but it really helps us kind of navigate where maybe the best place and best options for their family are. So if you want to go ahead and set that up, it's completely free. It'll take just a few minutes, but you can click that link down in the description. Also, if you're looking at relocating here to Alabaster, I've got that free PDF download that you can access right there in the description as well. All right, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more information about this community and then other things happening around Alabaster, and I will see you in the next video.